TV. Hello TBJ Beshies! Welcome back to my channel. And meron tayong unboxing ngayon. So mag-unbox tayo. But this is a different kind of unboxing because this is about the TBJ Tita Life. Yan. So isa niyan sa mga bagong segments ko sa aking social media and also my blog. And it's all about, you know, the tita stuff that I like and tita musings. Okay, so as I mentioned, meron akong bagong ref from Beko. So mag-unbox tayo nito ngayon. Actually, semi na-unbox ko na siya. First time ko bumili ng ref, okay, Besh. Ang hirap pala magbukas nito. So, ayan, nabuksan ko na. Unbox tayo ngayon. Iyan naman natin ng swipe. Charan! Beko. 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 Because of you, my life has changed. Natutuwa lang ako kasi sobrang, alam mo yun, ang adulting level na ng pagbili ng ref. And also, I'm proud and I'm happy because this fridge actually is my gift to my mother, okay, sa birthday niya. Alam mo yung, na-fulfill mo yung pagiging isang dakilang anak. Nabilan mo ng ref yung nanay mo. Anyway, ayan, binuksan ko na ba siya kasi kung bubuksan ko to ng slowly, bukas pa tayo matatapos. Okay. Ano ba to? Grabe yung ref, parang hindi kasya dito sa unit ko. Okay, so by the way, this fridge is again from Beko. Okay, so the reason why I chose Beko nung tumitingin ako ng fridge is because of two main factors. Number one, it's an inverter ref. Okay, sa mga mag-a-adulting pa lang dyan, inverter appliance is appliance that uses less energy. So, therefore, mas mura yung charge sa'yo sa kuryente. So, lower electricity bill. So, yun. Sobrang ideal yun. Kasi alam naman natin, Besh, yung electricity bill, Besh, minsan talagang kinakain niyan yung sweldo mo. So, kahit medyo mahal siya in the beginning, eventually, mas makakamura ka because inverter yung appliance. So, sana ganun tayo mag-isip. Dapat ganun tayo mag-isip when it comes to appliance na sa unang bagsakan mahal talaga but eventually, it's gonna be cheaper. That's one. Number two, meron siyang tinatawag na Harvest Fresh technology. So, it is a very good feature of Beko's fridge, especially this one that I got. Okay, so what is Harvest Fresh technology? So, yung Harvest Fresh technology ni Beko, ito yung technology that helps produce last longer. So, yung mga fruits and vegetables nyo and even vitamins, ayan, mas fresh for longer. And dun tayo sa produce, yung Harvest Fresh, yung technology niya is it mimics sunlight. So, yung different phases of the sun para mapanatiling mas fresh yung vegetables longer. Kasi di ba yung fruits and vegetables and plants, they respond to sunlight. So, nag-iiba yung kulay nila depending on the season and sa araw. So, yon. So, minimimic yun ni Harvest Fresh technology. So, for example, if si Harvest Fresh, mapoprolong niya yung summer inside the ref, so di mas fresh yung mga vegetables for longer. So, yun yung maganda sa kanya. And kaya yun important to me is because my brother and my mother, they are currently doing their own online food business. So part niyan is bibili ka ng maraming ingredients, 'di ba? Of course, it's best na kung yung ingredients mo, mapoprolong mo yung life for as long as possible. Para syempre, less yung tapon and less aksaya sa pera. Because syempre, we can't always predict our sales for the day. And sometimes, meron tayong natitirang food. So, sayang naman if you're gonna throw it. If you can utilize it pa for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 days, why not, 'di ba? And syempre, dapat fresh siya pag ibebenta nyo. And doon nakakatulong yung Harvest Fresh technology. Ayan, ito siya, Besh. Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng kulay. Kaya pa ba? Ayan, charan! Ang ganda niya, Besh. Okay, so let me take you closer. So, dito muna tayo sa labas ng ref. So, this is, yan, yung sa freezer part. And as you can see, the finish is like brushed metal. So, para siyang steel gray yung color. Sobrang social niya tingnan, besh. Yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. And I got this in person. As in, sobrang social pala niya talaga tingnan. Parang yung sa mga restaurants. But anyway, so yeah, dito tayo. And this one is actually a remote control panel. So, it is sensor driven. So, etong nakikita nyo, ayan, it's for controlling the thermostat of the fridge. So, I think this one is for vacation. So, eco yan. Pag pinindot nyo yan, automatic, mas bababa yung consumption, energy consumption ng fridge. And then, eto, makikita nyo, you can adjust here yung temperature ng freezer and also nung main ref. So, yun yung maganda sa kanya. Sing pindot-pindot na lang. Ang social, no? Besh. Punta tayo dito naman sa loob. So, this is the freezer. I love it. Malaki siya. So, yan. Neo Frost technology. Meron siyang air fresh filter. So, that's really important. So, ito yung sa ice niya. Ayan. And this is also frost-free. Tama ba yung term? Yung hindi nag-yellow. And also, ang kagandahan dito, besh, ayan, itong meat zone. Yan, hinihila na lang siya. It's a tray na hinihila. And the nice thing about this is, it's so easy and isa na lang siya. Parang, I feel na like a whole tray is better compared to parang 2 or 3 separate trays. Like the other fridges that we've had. Kasi feeling ko this parang maximizes the space more. Tapos, sobrang easy lang. Ayan, kuha ka ng ganyan. Hindi katulad ng iba na, alam mo yung nasa stock pa yung mga cabinets nung nung sa freezer. And also, ayan, hilahin mo lang to palabas and malilinis mo siya individually. And also this one, besh, I'd like to highlight this one. This is also removable. Ayan, nakikita nyo, nahihila siya. And the good thing about that is at least you can clean this easily. It's inevitable that when we store meat sa freezer, we would get mga drippings from the meat. So, di ba kadiri yon, and medyo ang dumi lang tingnan. And mas hygienic din kung malinis to. So, ang maganda dito is, ayan, hilahin mo lang to and then clean it sa sink. Unlike yung iba na hindi natatanggal. Alam mo yung kailangan mo pa siyang i-defrost, which is sobrang hassle. Ito naman yung side portion where you put other stuff like, ano ba, mga meat, packed meat, ganon. So, yan siya. Alright, so dito naman tayo sa baba. So, kita nyo nakalagay, Harvest Fresh Smart Inverter. Pro Smart Inverter. Ayan. So, ito siya. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng loob. So, we have here the chiller. And the nice thing pa about this chiller is, ayan, nahihila siya. Again, this makes this thing very easy to clean and it's very easy for you to access the food. Overall, I like yung setup of the fridge and the way it was designed. It's very ergonomic. Lahat hinihila. So, therefore, madali hilahin at linisin lahat. Ayan. So, ito. Very spacious naman siya. And this one, yung Harvest Fresh technology. Ayan. Medyo nag-screech siya. Ayan. So, itong part na to. So, this is where you put your produce. Tapos, ayan. This is where all the Harvest Fresh sunlight mimicking technology happens. So, ayan. Diyan mo ilalagay yung fruits and vegetables. Tapos, ayan, ito. Spacious siya. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng water bottles. Yun yung gusto ko dyan. May ibang mga fridge hindi kasya eh. Yung mga water bottles. So, ayan. Try natin. Ooh, I love it! Diba? Cold water all the way. Just the egg tray. It's really nice. Tapos, again, natatanggal siya. You just have to like push it out to clean these easily and separately. And besh, kung beauty blogger ka, eto na ang ref para sa'yo. Tingnan nyo naman, cosmetic box. I love that they are, you know, very much on trend si Beko. Kasi diba, a lot of people, they chill their cosmetics and skincare na. And me also, I do that. So, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng separate na ref. Dito na siya. At hindi mapagkakamalan ni Bunso na yung cream mo ay pudding. Diba? Or pagkain or ingredient. Kasi nakaseparate siya at nakalagay talaga cosmetic box. So, you can put your creams here. Ayan. Also, your cosmetics. Ano pa ba? Sheet masks. Also, perfume. Pwedeng-pwede mo siyang ilagay dyan. Pag ano daw to, naiwan mo siya ng medyo bukas, kunyari the door is slightly ajar, nag-a-alarm daw yan. So at least, maririnig mo agad and you can close it right away and hindi ka magsasayang ng kuryente. Ayan, so eto yung thermostat niya. Ayan so pwede ka mag-echo. Ito yung normal temperature niya, but if you want it colder, kunyari meron kang mga sobrang highly perishable na mga nasa freezer, ayan, pinati mo para parang 1 siya. So, basta yun. Yes, you just have to read the manual for this one. But so far, I love it. Oh my God, ang lamig niya agad. Ayan, besh, nilagyan natin ng pagkain, binuksan natin. So, yan siya. In fairness, medyo mabilis siya lumamig Parang 4 minutes pa lang, medyo starting to cool na. And by the way, this is the Harvest Fresh Technology Beshie. So, nakita nyo, parang color blue siya ngayon. Kanina, nag-iiba-iba yung color niyan So, ayan, that is the secret to keeping food and produce fresh longer. Tapos, ayan, nilagay ko na yung mga supplements namin. Tapos, ayan yung mga jade rollers ko. Mamaya lalagay ko na yung skincare ko dyan. So, this is the fridge. Parang nagbago na yung isip ko, ma'am. Ayoko na ibigay. Joke lang. So, yan. So, I really hope this helps my mother and my brother in their business. And, besh, kung kayo ay naghahanap ng ref, I suggest ito, kunin nyo si Beko. Kasi I've read so many reviews. And I was looking for a fridge na, alam mo yun, maraming modern technology and addresses a lot of my needs as a consumer. And that is fresh food for longer. May inverter technology para lower electricity bill. And at the same time, meron mga parang nice additions like that cosmetic box. So for the features, the look, and as well as ito, itong bonggang remote. So for its features, okay na yung price niya. So yan, so that's it. And I really hope you enjoy this TBJ Tita Life ref unboxing. So yan, if you guys are interested, you can just go to Beko on Instagram. They are here on Instagram or also their Facebook fan page. And by the way, available na sila sa lahat ng leading na retailers. So you can find them at Anson's, ano pa ba, SM Appliance Center. Basta madami. Just go to their Facebook fan page or official website. And also, nasa Lazada pala sila, besh. So, kung ayaw nyong lumabas muna, ayan, you can order them through Lazada. That's all, Beshies, and I hope you enjoy this TBJ Tita Life ref unboxing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, Beshies!